channel. So let's go and have our code here for our merge sort. So we have an merge sort to 12, 45, 23, and recursively dividing the array into smaller sub-arrays, so sorting them and then merging them back together. So the first one, we're going to divide the array into two halves, left halves here. So we're going to divide the array into the two halves, the left and the right half. So in our left half, we have a 12, 45, 28, and 8. In our right half, we have 5 and 99 and 14 here. And then respectively apply merge sort to each half. So left half divide further 12 and 45 and 23 and 8. So sort each half, we have 12 and 45. So becomes 12, 45, and 23, and 8 becomes 8 to 23. And merge it 12, 45, and 8 and 23. So in our right half, we divide further by 5 and 99 and 14. So we sort each half, we have 5, 99 becomes 5 and 99. Mauna si 5 bago si 99, and then si 14 it remains na mag-steady lang siya. And then i-combine na to, i-merge na to siya to 5 and 14, 15. Sorry na siya. So then combine, merge the sorted left and right. So sa to ang i-divide na to ang sa left. So ang i-merge na to ang sa left half, we have 12, 45, and 8 and 23. And sa our right half, we have 5 and 14, 29. So i-combine na to siya, the sorted left and the right half. So we have 12, 45, 8 and 23, and 5 and 14, 99, and we merge to 5. So mag-una ang 5 kay gamay man ang 5, then 8, 12, 14, 23, and tas last na 49. So final sorted array list, we have this 5 and 23. Then visual representation, so we have 12, 45 here, and 23, 8, 5, and 99, and 14. And sa ubusan na is 12, 45, steady lang tulo ang 12, 45, nga 23. And then ang 14 na ama sa pinakalas, so ato ibalin si 14 3 pag umabot na si 99 sa pinakalas. And then as you can see, merge sort efficiently divided the array into smaller sub-array, sort them, and then merge them back together, sorted array. So merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm, meaning it divides the problem into smaller sub-problems. So solve them recursively and then combine the result. It's table sorting algorithm, meaning it's preserves the relative order or of equal elements. So its time complexity is which is generally more efficient than algorithms like bubble sort, insertion sort, and selection sort for larger data sets. Merge sort is often used in internal sorting application where the data cannot fit entirely into the memory. So now we have a quick sort and heap sort. So both efficient sorting algorithms commonly used for various applications. So let's analyze their performance in given array. So we have a 12, 45, 23. Similar lang na dito sa kung merge sort. And 8, 5, 99, 14. So choose a favorite elements. To the last element is 14. Partitions are around favorite is 5, 8, 12, 14, 23, 45, and 99 becomes 5, 8, 12, 14, 23, 45, 99. Recursively sort sort the left and right sub-array. So time complexity base is n log n when the pivot constantly divides the array into equal half. Average case, so when the pivot is always the smallest or largest element. So let's move to the heap sort. Build a max to be heap from the array. Exact the maximum element, root, and place it at the end of the array. Heapify the remaining elements. Repeat step 2 and 3 until the array is sorted. So, ang mahitabuan ni is 5, 8, 12, 40, 23, 45, 99. So both quick sort and heap sort have average time complexity, making them efficient for most practice application. And where sort can be when pivot is always smallest largest element. So generally that helps sort is the unequal elements for large. And that's it.